Okay, today we're going to demonstrate how to turn this latch from right to left. This is an old 4-inch black steel latch. I'm just going to show you how to take it apart and turn the latch round. First of all, unscrew the back plate, Phillips screwdriver, keep some pressure on the plate if you can, because there is a spring under here. You can see, it just comes apart like that. Keep the tension down and release the spring. Take the spigot out of the middle. Take the latch out itself. Turn it around. Centralise it again. The spigot back in. Now the spring back in. Keeping your pressure down at all times. Screw back in. Nice and tight. There we go. Left to right. Easy as that.